Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
We're seeing a bunch of cloud cover in Dublin right now. 41 sky views presented by the Georgia United Credit Union. Again, they're high-level clouds, but I'd rather be seeing clouds right now than be seeing sun. 68 degrees, one of our warmer spots right now, with a 3-mile-per-hour wind coming in from the southeast. So I've got marked on here the current risk levels of the severe weather, and the enhanced risk is that level 3 down in South Georgia and Alabama, and that's where that tornado risk has been highest. And the good news is, so far we haven't really seen any tornado warnings. This is definitely a powerful line of storms. However, there's been pea-sized hail reported up in North Georgia, pushing in towards the middle of the state, as well as a lot of lightning and some very, very heavy rain. So do keep that in mind. We're still getting some strong storms as these roll in, and highs for today, you can see they're a little bit cooler in our northern counties, those upper 60s and low 70s. But you start pushing further south, there's more of that heat and energy, and that's where that concern could potentially rise a little bit for more of a severe threat later on today. I'm still going with the same level for before, though, and I'm not expecting the tornado or hail activity to really pick up. Now again, we're seeing some pea-sized hail, maybe some dime-sized hail, but the severe category of hail is 3/4 of an inch in diameter or larger. Neither of those reach that category. Gusty winds, there's been 50+ mile-per-hour gusts reported with this line of storms. I expect that to remain consistent as we go throughout the rest of the afternoon. And as for the heavy rain, there's been a couple flash flood warnings out in Alabama already as well. So again, here it comes. It's wasting no time, and it's going to move through as we go throughout the evening. Not moving overly fast, but fast enough to where we shouldn't all be dealing with flash flooding threats, but most certainly the low-lying areas, there is going to be that potential. By about 11, we should see the heavy rain clear out and be left with some shower activity as we go through the middle of the night towards tomorrow morning. Still plenty of clouds. We could see some storms fire a bit early on, and there is a slight risk for severe weather. That's level 2 in both Wheeler and in Telfair counties, but I really don't think it's going to end up being all that bad if it's in the morning. There's probably not going to be enough heat left over in the low 70s and upper 60s. And again, I just mentioned that right down there in Telfair and in Wheeler counties, not going overly high on those risks, and they won't last long either. We again push into the afternoon. The sun should come out, and that's when things should start looking a bit nicer as we head into tomorrow night, and things are looking great on Sunday. Let's go ahead and take a peek now at your 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is presented by Volume Chevrolet. Basically everywhere in the region by about noon tomorrow will have received between 3/4 of an inch and 2 inches of rain. That is a lot that's coming in with this front today. After that, though, sun in the afternoon. Tomorrow, sun all day Sunday, and clouds begin to fill back in come Monday as we work into the middle of next week. But the good news is, with the Cherry Blossom Festival going on outside today and next Wednesday, rain chances are remaining quite low.